Good evening, everyone. Welcome to SPY Intraday Price Action Analysis on Neon Charts. Today's SPY printed a nice green candle of 18.37 move upside. It also invalidated this gap and currently sitting at this resistance level. It was a previous major support area, closing above 5 and 9 EMA. Today we also saw 20 EMA cross down to 200 SMA. We are still within this fair value gap as well as this lower high. So the next few sessions are going to be very crucial for SPY. How it's reacting to 200 SMA and 20 EMA, as well as this another major resistance at 660. If we close impulsively above this 660 level, then any pullback would form a higher low. Moving on to our hourly time frame, we discussed about this bullish inside bar on our time frame in our yesterday's video, and the RSI levels. So it really acted as a support and opened the gap up today, and it moved down to retest the same resistance level. It turned as a support and took the 20 EMA also support to further move and test this resistance at 650, 51 level. Price is currently sitting at this resistance as well as this trend line resistance. Breaking above, we have this gap as well as resistance around 660. Support, we have this fair value gap on hourly time frame, and this resistance level at 640 to 43 will act as a support. Breaking below, we have this 637 as a support. Moving on to 15 minutes time frame, after opening gap up today and testing this gap, pulled back down to retest this breaker block. Yesterday's supply zone is now turned as a breaker block. It retested with the bullish engulfing candle on 15 minutes time frame, collecting liquidity below 9 EMA. Then after a short pullback, it exploded again and entered the session testing this resistance. In this pullback, it again printed another bullish engulfing candle at the 9 EMA, which led the major upside move. The support resistance levels were same as we discussed on the hourly time frame. So currently it is at the resistance of 651. Breaking above, we have resistance at 660. In between, we have this gap and resistance at 665, 656 level, and the 15 minutes time frame. Support, we have now this fair value gap between 645 and 642.6. This support between 638.5 and 637.2. Looking at the monthly time frame, as today is the month end, price closed above this fair value gap on monthly time frame, as I did last time. So if it acts as a support, then we may go and test 667, this resistance level. on a monthly time frame. Looking at a quarterly time frame, this is as today's quarter end. Price rejected from 5 EMA on quarterly time frame and from this fair value gap on quarterly time frame. The RSI also still melting above 70 level. Thank you for watching.